Hello and welcome back to the Philomath channel, where small actions shape a greater future. Today, we explore Chapter 6 of the book Atomic Habits by James Clear. A chapter with a simple yet life-changing message. Your environment shapes your behavior more than motivation ever will. Let's learn how to design our surroundings so success becomes easier and failure becomes harder. Why motivation isn't enough. We often say things like, I need more motivation. I'll start when I feel ready. I'm waiting for the right moment. But James Clear explains that motivation is like a wave. It rises high and then falls again. Relying on motivation alone is risky because motivation is temporary. Habits must last. Instead of waiting for motivation to appear, we should design environments that pull us toward good decisions automatically. Behavior is a product of environment. Imagine this. You come home tired. Your bed is right in front of you. Your computer is loud and full of distractions. The kitchen has junk food everywhere. In such an environment, being lazy becomes easy, and improvement becomes difficult. No matter how motivated you are, your surroundings will always pull you back to your old habits. But if we flip that, books visible on your desk, healthy food in your refrigerator, workout shoes by the door, phone away during study, cleaner, calmer workspace, then growth becomes easier and bad habits lose power. Choice architecture. There is a powerful concept in this chapter. Environment is the invisible hand that shapes human behavior. We think we are making free decisions. But actually, our environment is quietly directing us. Supermarkets place snacks near the cashier. Why? Because you make impulse decisions when waiting. Offices keep printers far away. Why? So employees move more and communicate more. What if we use the same science for our personal lives? Let's become architects of our own success. Make good habits obvious. James Clear teaches a strategy named the first law of behavior change. Make it obvious. Example. If you want to play guitar more, place your guitar next to your bed, not inside a closet. If you want to drink more water, keep a water bottle within reach, not hidden in a cabinet. If you want to read daily, put a book on your pillow, not on a forgotten shelf. When a habit is easy to see, it becomes easy to start. Reduce exposure to bad habits. Just like making good cues visible, we hide the bad cues. Examples. Want to reduce social media? Log out. Remove apps from the home screen. Want to stop late-night eating? Keep junk food far from your bedroom. Want to reduce TV time? Hide the remote or unplug the TV after every use. You don't need stronger willpower. You just need fewer temptations. Environment willpower. James Clear says, disciplined people are better at structuring their lives, so they don't need to be disciplined all the time. A person who wakes up early doesn't fight battles every morning. Their environment supports the routine. Curtains open to let sunshine wake them. Alarm clock across the room. Phone on silent mode. Sleep area free of distractions. They don't rely on motivation. They rely on good design. Habits are location-based. A behavior becomes associated with the place where it happens. Your brain creates these connections. Bed equals sleep. Desk equals work. Couch equals watching TV. Kitchen equals eating. Gym equals exercise. When places mix purposes, habits weaken. Doing homework on your bed can confuse your brain. Is this a place for sleep or focus? So create a spot for every habit. Even a small space can be redesigned. A reading corner. A meditation corner. A creativity desk. A fitness space at home. Identity grows stronger when linked to location. Habit resetting. Fresh places give fresh starts. Ever noticed how it's easier to build new habits? In a new city. At a new job. At a new school. In a new room setup. Why? Because your old environment holds old cues. And old behaviors try to return. Changing surroundings gives your brain a new story. Here, I act differently. So rearrange your space to support a new version of you. Even moving furniture can reset energy and direction. The power of visual cues. Your brain is a prediction machine. It sees, then acts. So if you want success, let your goals be visually loud. Let your bad habits disappear from sight. Here's a simple checklist. Habit goal. Make visible. Drink more water. Leave bottle on desk. Study more. Keep laptop only for study, books open. Practice music. Instrument always ready. Work out. Prepare gym clothes before sleeping. Eat healthier. Fruit on the table, not snacks. Small visual reminders create big future wins. Environment plus identity. Your environment isn't just physical. It also shapes your self-image. Example. Library environment, I am a learner. Gym environment, I am fit. Studio environment, I am a creator. You become the person your environment tells you to be. Choose that message wisely. Practical strategy 1, prime your environment. Design each space for one main purpose. Bedroom sleep only. Desk focus only. Living room entertainment only. Dining table eating only. This trains your brain automatically. When I am here, I perform that habit. Practical strategy 2, the reset rule. After every activity, return the environment to the beginning state. Put the book back. Clean the desk. Wash the cup. Organize your tools. This ensures that the next action is friction-free. Resetting this space resets your mind. Practical strategy 3, create habit signals. Use your environment to say, it's time for this habit. Examples. A yoga mat placed in the center of room morning exercise. Bible or journal on bed nighttime reflection. Sneakers beside desk afternoon walk break. The environment becomes your coach. Practical strategy 4, avoid mixed environments. Don't watch movies on your study desk. Work on your bed. Scroll social media at dining table. Mixed signals weaken discipline. Clear signals strengthen habits. The chapter concludes with a powerful truth. You don't rise to the level of your motivation. You fall to the level of your environment. If you want habits to work for years, build a place where progress is natural. Make success your default path. Make greatness your normal environment. Closing motivation. Your environment is always shaping you. So shape it back. Every object in your room can be a tool of transformation. Every space can become a foundation for success. Every place can help you become the person you dream of. Start today. Remove one distraction. Add one positive cue. Rearrange one small space. And watch how your habits follow. Because when the environment supports you, discipline becomes easier. And growth becomes unstoppable. Thank you for staying with me today on the Philomath channel. If this inspired you, please leave a like, subscribe, and continue this journey with us. Next, we will explore Chapter 7, The Secret Behind Self-Discipline. Remember, success is designed, not discovered. See you in the next episode.